Alright guys, today we're going to try a C++ Codewars problem. Looks like we have a few to pick from here, and counting valleys looks interesting. You need to count how many valleys you will pass. Start is always from 0 level. Every time you go down below 0 level, counts as the entry of a valley. And as you go up to 0 level from valley, counts as an exit of a valley. One passed valley is equal one entry and one exit of a valley. All right, so let's see here. You go forward, up, forward, forward, down, down. So it looks like you went into a valley there, and then forward, down, up, down, forward, up, forward, up, forward. Okay, so it looks like you just get through one valley. All right, well, this looks like a doable problem. Let's go ahead and solve it with C++. And, all right, we're going to have to parse through this string here. Okay, this is going to be fun. So, let's go ahead and say int num valleys equals 0. And we'll have bool in valley equals false. Okay, so we'll start that we're not in a valley. Start, okay, not in a valley. And that's because they say we're starting at 0. We start at 0 level. All right, and it basically has to be we go down and then back up for us to make a valley. All right, so let's go ahead and make a loop to count through everything. So we'll say s.length I++, and then we're going to have to say if, I don't think it really matters if we have a forward. I think it only matters about up and down. So let's say if s at I equals u, then we have to keep track of the current position. Current position equals 0. So if we're going up, we're saying current position plus plus. Now, we need to check to see if we were in a valley. Okay, so if we were going up, if in valley, okay, if we're in the valley and we are currently going past, we're currently going past the 0, then we can say if current position is greater, current position equals 0, then we can say num valleys plus plus. Okay, and we also have to say in valley equals false again, right? Because now we're leaving the valley. So this is basically going up. Now we need to find out whether we're entering a valley. So here we are. If s element I equals d, we can say if not in valley and current position, and let's also make the current position go down. If we're not in the valley and the current position is, if we're not in the valley and current position is less than 0, then guess what? now we're in the valley. Okay? Now we're in the valley. In valley equals true. Okay, so this is going to go with this. This is going to go with this. This is going to go with this. And something looks out of whack. All right, let's see here. So this is the problem not using an IDE, right? You sometimes get a little confused. All right, so let's see. We see if we're going down, current position, down, down. If we're not in the valley and the current position is less than 0, then in valley is true. Okay, so we go here with this, here with this, here with the loop, and then here with the ints. I think we have one extra. And in the end, we're going to say return num valleys. So looking this over, seems like we have everything correct, but let's see. All right, looks like we got no errors. Now we're going to attempt it. Excellent. All right, so I now have 3038. When I submit it, I should go up. And, well, I guess I'll have to check back the beginning of that video. All right, so what are some nice things we notice here? Well, this code looks a lot cleaner than mine. I'll say that much. A lot cleaner. So, yeah, don't look at that. The truth is, this is just the way I solve it, the way I go through it. Probably if I had a little more time, I could have made it look nicer. But this probably looks more like my style here. Yeah, more like my style. I thought this was a really fun problem. I really enjoyed it. Keep up the good work.